Get into the vibe and give a shot 快乐不用想脑天台不等于渺小我们太习惯简单的事要复杂思考 Just find a simple way I can make you happy day Don't push me now Cause all I want is drive it by 幸福没有坐标要靠自己去寻找别再让选择障碍耽误快乐的步调 You need a simple way 简单其实更对味生活的压力是速度步调差点快忘记快乐的味道昨天过往把未知都塞爆有时候简单反而更好 Oh la 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 Oh la 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 Oh la 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 Oh la ah ah Oh la 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 Oh la 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 My God 这样的滋味真好 Oh la 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 Oh la 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 Oh la 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 Oh la ah ah Oh la 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 Oh la 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 简单的快乐故事挺好 I'm loving it
Taiwanese people are being bombarded with politics and financial worry. All they hear is negativity and fear. It's no wonder the mood of the nation was low. The country needed a well-overdue lift. And as a brand famous for happiness, we decided to do just that. McDonald's presents The Sound of Happiness, a song designed to lift the spirits of the nation. We turn to our own world-famous 5-syllable happiness sound signature, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, to inspire a song that could actually lift people's mood. And only one Taiwanese singer could help us write a song that could do it. The most beloved diva, Jolin. Inspired by her own memories of ba-da-ba-ba-ba growing up, we collaborated with Jolin to create the nation-lifting happiness song, Oh La 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 La. Music is scientifically proven to release endorphins, and our brains recognize certain music patterns. So, Oh La 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 used the same syllable structure as Ba-da-ba-ba-ba to create a recurring melody that would evoke a sense of pleasure and happiness. We seeded the song via Taiwan's most popular music platforms, sparking a wave of fans and becoming a cultural phenomenon overnight. It also became the soundtrack to our 40th anniversary commercial. We created it using virtual production, designed to provoke nostalgic memories across generations. Oh La 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 has now become synonymous with happiness, so we did our little bit to inject some happiness back into people's lives and lift the mood of a nation.
I'm loving it